Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that can save you a lot of money: how to save big on property taxes this year. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just getting into real estate, understanding how to manage your property taxes effectively is crucial. Let's get started. First, let's understand what property taxes are. Property taxes are local taxes that homeowners are required to pay annually on the value of their property. These funds typically go towards public services like education, transportation, and emergency services. The amount you pay is determined by your property's assessed value and the tax rate set by local authorities. One of the best ways to reduce your property tax is by ensuring your property is assessed fairly. If you believe your home's assessed value is too high, you can appeal to your local tax assessor's office. Provide evidence such as recent sales of similar homes in your area or discrepancies in your home's listed features. Remember, deadlines for these appeals vary by location, so act quickly. Next, take advantage of homestead exemptions. Many states offer significant property tax relief for your primary residence through homestead exemptions. These can reduce your home's taxable value, lowering your tax burden. Check your local tax assessor's website for eligibility criteria and application details. Another strategy is to look into tax deferrals. Some areas allow certain homeowners, like seniors or those with disabilities, to defer property taxes. This doesn't eliminate the taxes, but postpones them, providing financial relief. You'll want to weigh the long-term implications, as deferred taxes can accumulate as liens against your property. Also, explore if your area offers tax abatements. Tax abatements can provide temporary reductions or even exemptions from property taxes. These are often offered to encourage property improvements or to attract new homeowners to revitalizing areas. Contact local development agencies to learn about any potential tax abatement programs. Here are some practical tips. Don't make cosmetic improvements right before an assessment. These could increase the assessed value. Stay informed about your local tax laws and any changes that might affect your taxes. And always ensure your property records are accurate. Any mistakes could mean higher taxes. And there you have it. Practical ways to save big on property taxes this year. Remember, the key is staying informed and proactive about your property taxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others save too. See you in the next one.